Karibu sana mtazamaji na msikilizaji wa FM Show KE, na kwa sasa kisa tunachokuletea ni kuhusiana na moja kati ya wanasiasa kutokea nchini Kenya na wafanyabiashara wakubwa sana, the most controversial figures hapa nchini Kenya. Tunaongelea ndoa mbili zake, ambaye ni Secretary General wa chama cha wafanyikazi Afrika Mashariki na Kati, ambaye ni Francis Atwoli, the COTU Secretary General. Kwa sasa kile ambacho tunakiongelea, I want to take you through the nasty divorce that went on between Francis Atwoli and his first wife before he went on to marry his second wife, that is journalist Mary Kilobi of KTN. Now, it stated that the COTU Secretary General, the Central Organization of Trade Union Boys, Francis Atwoli, got Kenyans talking publicly, disowning his third wife, Rosalinda Semeyu Atwoli, that is back in 2016. Now, this was after Semeyu joined Deputy President William Ruto, then United Democratic Alliance, leaving him with a bitter taste in his mouth. But who is Rosalinda Semeyu Atwoli, and what happened to her decade-long time marriage with a vocal trade unionist who is a self-professed polygamist? Now, the 56-year-old woman, by the time, kept a low profile until the year 2017, when she declared her interest to vie for the Webuye West parliamentary seat. Before venturing into the murky world of politics, she had worked for various organizations, including Zoia Sugar Company. Now, in a past interview with Radio Jambo, the female politician who unsuccessfully vied for the parliamentary position, and also the 2022 women representative seat, said that she met Atwoli when she was 30 years old, and further added that he concealed from her that he was married then. The two got married in 1997. He was 47 but never told me he was married. Instead, he said he was divorced, Rosalinda claimed. Now, though the COTU boss had publicly stated that he left her because she decided to join politics, Mio noted that a number of reasons played a part in their separation. Now, one of them, Semeyu claimed, was a decision to support her daughter's desire to study in South Africa, a decision that she had rattled her husband to the point of breaking their marriage. Refuting Atwoli's claim that he was lonely in the marriage, Semeyu said Atwoli would rarely go home and care about her and their children. She said if Atwoli became lonely in their marriage, it was on his own accord, being that he had long neglected her and their children before marriage to TV anchor Mary Kilobi. She said the union ended in 2016. If he was lonely, it was by choice because he was not coming home. He neither called me nor provided money for our children's upkeep. Now, the two ex-lovers' separation was also characterized by a court battle in 2018. The woman filed a complaint with the police after Atwoli reportedly drew her out of their Kileleshwa home. In a police report, she said she had gone to the apartment to see their then 13-year-old son, but at 7 p.m. they were both chased out. Atwoli would later defend himself, saying Semeyu was not allowed to spend the night in the home. I allowed her to come and visit the kid, but not spend the night. I have a first wife who does not behave like Rosalinda. She respects our marriage, he said when the complaint was filed. Now, the two are also in court over a child custody case. For those children who are in school, he pays their school fees. But he tried to take away my youngest child, but I will not speak much about it because the matter is in court, the woman said in the radio interview. Now, as reported, then President William Ruto recently then welcomed Semeyu into his UDA outfit, much to the disappointment and anger of the vocal trade unionist who was then fighting Ruto and supporting Raila Odinga. Taking to social media, the unionist further said he surrendered her to Ruto in 2007 when he was in Eldoret North MP and she was no longer his relative. Now, this is despite Simiyu inferring that she had the blessings of her husband after joining UDA. My name is Rosalinda Simiyu. My husband is known as Francis Atwoli. I am in Hustler movement, she told the excited crowd back then. Now, Atwoli denounced his ex-wife after showing up at Ruto's rally. Now, Atwoli is a man and allow me to say this, kama kuna wanasiasa walio na kitita kikubwa cha pesa katika eneo la bonde la ufa kule Rift Valley na pamoja ukiunganisha na Western region, Atwoli is among the most richest politicians in that region. Now, among the things that Atwoli is always proud of is polygamy status. That's what's up for now. What is your take in regards to the said video? Leave a comment in the comment section. See you in the next one. These